Today I'm going to walk you through how to install Google Tag Manager on your WordPress website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up this powerful tool, which means you can easily manage all your website tags, track analytics, and get those important marketing insights, all without touching a single line of code. If you're ready to step up your site's tracking and data game, let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening up your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's command center, so just log in as you normally would. If you're not sure where to go, it's usually your domain name, followed by /wp-admin. Once you're in, give yourself a moment to get familiar with the menu on the left side. That's where all your main tools live. Now you'll want to click on the Plugins section in that left sidebar. Plugins are like power-ups for your website, letting you add all sorts of features and new capabilities without having to write custom code. Clicking Plugins opens a drop-down menu. Go ahead and select Add New. This will take you to a marketplace of plugins made just for WordPress, here where we'll look for Google Tag Manager. At the top right, you'll see a search box. Go ahead and type Google Tag Manager right into that field. Take a moment to review your options. You'll usually see several plugins pop up, each offering to help you connect Tag Manager to your site. Don't feel overwhelmed. The differences are often minor, and many of them will get the job done. Pick the Google Tag Manager plugin that looks best to you. Maybe check for a high rating and plenty of active installs just to be sure it's reliable. Then click Install Now. If you haven't used plugins before, this may prompt you to upgrade your WordPress plan, and this is an important pause worth explaining. Many essential plugins, including those that let you add advanced tools like Google Tag Manager, require your site to be on WordPress's business plan. Right now, that's about 1,900 Philippine pesos or $33 per month. I know it's an investment, and it might give you pause, especially if you're used to the free plan, but upgrading unlocks professional features, extra support, and lets you install most plugins from the marketplace. This is the gateway to making your site much more customizable, and tools like Tag Manager will help you measure your marketing and grow over time. So many site owners find it's absolutely worth it. Once you click the Install or Upgrade button and initiate the plugin install, WordPress will guide you through the payment process. Just proceed by providing your payment details and confirming the upgrade. This part might take a few minutes, and you may need to check your email for confirmation, but stick with it. When you're on the business plan, you'll be able to return to the plugins page and pick up right where you left off. Now just install your chosen Google Tag Manager plugin and activate it. Boom, you're set. From here, most plugins will ask you for your Google Tag Manager container ID, and they'll give you a friendly interface for plugging it in and managing your tags in the future. If you're curious, Google Tag Manager is like a digital toolbox for marketers and analysts. You can add tracking for Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and more without editing your site's code. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Google Tag Manager for your WordPress site. If any part of the process felt confusing, don't worry. It's totally normal to need an extra moment when making upgrades or trying new tools for the first time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button to let me know. Have a question or ran into a tricky part? Drop your comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more straightforward guides just like this one, don't forget to subscribe for all my latest tutorials. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.